In this video, we're going to be looking at these brand new RC crawler wheels from WPRHJY. Kind of sounds like a radio station or something. So this is some 1x9 crawler wheels. We're going to get them out of the box, see what they're like. I think they have a little bit of a unique kind of mounting system that we're going to be curious to see about. Get them mounted up on some tires, see how they do. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Troy. This is RoadsideRC. You'll tend to find me bashing or crawling or drifting or racing, plus doing product review videos and how-tos. Let's jump into it here. We're going to start by getting these out of the box here. There we go. Nothing else in the box. Nice dense foam here. Look at those wheels. That looks nice. Let's get them over here in the light. Oh yeah. Nice machining on there. You see the black painted in there as well. Come in a couple different colors. I like the black. They have some fun pink colors if I'm honest, but I don't really have a truck that would go with at the moment, but it could be nice. That's stiff, but there we go. So there's one wheel already partially assembled. You can see a replaceable hub in here, so you can get different hubs, different offsets, which is awesome. And some extra screws to help put it all together. It almost has like a multicolor like refraction to it, kind of prism almost refraction. I don't know if that comes through in the video or not, but in real life, that looks awesome. I went ahead and unscrewed one of the wheels here so we could see that half. Look at how they've designed this. You see how that face? A lot of the times the face stays with this part of the wheel, and then you're screwing the two of them together. But yeah, so this way I wonder if it allows you to mix and match more different faces that they have. I don't know. It's really interesting. Keying it together there. The spacing is such that you can only put it together in a couple of the ways. And those ways are going to be only where the screws line up. Very interesting. Nice beefy center ring here. Look how polished. They actually polished the center ring. I don't know if it's really necessary or not, but that's kind of nice. Well, let's grab some tires to get them assembled. We're going to use these brand new Trail MT trail burners and get them installed on these wheels. That'll be our test. Inside ring looks symmetrical. So we're just going to put it in there. This tire is not rotation specific. I think this is going to be easier if we put the rear in first. So I'm going to slide it in. Make sure it fits there right in that bead area. Beautiful. And I can feel it clicking into that center ring just nicely. Okay, now this might be interesting. So I'm going to put a finger here where the hole is. And I'm going to line it up. Oh, I think I missed it. Did I miss it? Now I've got to get the bead in the right area, and I've got to get it lined up with those spokes at the same time. There we go. All right, now I'm going to have to hold this together. Hold it together and get a screw in it. There we go. Now it can't leave. Oh, looky there. That looks really nice. I like that. Let's check that out. I just like to take a minute and just remind folks that as you are assembling tires and wheels, you want to use some kind of like blue thread locker. These screws otherwise are very prone to back out. It's on any RC tires that you ever and on any crawler wheels that you ever assemble like this. They always back out, and so you always want to watch that. Having assembled all four of these wheels now, I would say tip for you is I do like putting the rear in first. I think that works out well, sliding the front on, but it is a little complicated to get the front to sit in the bead area and to slide through the spokes all at the same time. The tolerances are pretty precise, so getting that just right, I find that I have to lay the tire down and actually center around and get it on there and then push it in. But as soon as you stop pushing it in, the tire wants to pop it back out. That's not what you want. So what I find is pop it in, hold it, get a finger on the bottom right here, and then that way you're squeezing that bead to be the whole wheel together while you start driving the screws in. And that seemed to work rather well for me. And then you can see here, I mean, they mounted up just beautifully. I need to still put the rest of the screws in. You can see those hanging out over here. I've only put 2 screws in all of them. I think it's time to put the rest of the screws in. And then get them installed on a truck and see how they look. Oh, that looks good. Check it out. Here on the Red Cat Ascent. Look at that. That tire and wheel package, I kind of like it. Look at that. Kind of sets the truck off. Adds a little bit more color than what I had on there before. That is pretty fun. Final word on these WPRHJY, kind of sounds like a radio station. These RC crawler wheels, they look great. They fit nicely. They look good on the truck, right? So, so pretty happy with them. Now, is this the best RC crawler wheel? I have no idea. Honestly, just have no idea. There are so many different RC crawler wheels out there on the market that it's really, really hard to say what is the best. But here's what's the good news about this. This means that there is another company out there making different designs that work and work well and are reasonably priced. I'll leave you a link to these down in the video description where you can get them. Really pretty dang cheap, and they fit well and they look good. So if they have a design that you like, then you should have no qualms about buying them. They look good. They seem like they work just as good as anything that I would want and need. They do the job. So if you have any questions about them that I didn't address here in the video, leave them down in the comments. Otherwise, if you're looking for any other crawler stuff, there'll be a playlist popping up over here to your right. Hope to see you in one of those. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.